O yan, te. Ano oras na yan? 9:01 na siya. Gising pa rin ako dyan. Malay ko ba't ba ako gising dyan? Pero sobrang ano siya. Nakalimutan ko na. Pasat. Ay, te, ugat ko. Pero ayun lang. Sige na. Good luck lang sa inyo mga estudyante. May na naman pa. So, ayun lang. Sige na.
In some cases. But I'm sure there's more to Hey Hey than meets the eye.
It's the harvest. This morning, I was husking the coconuts and...
Well, we should clear the diseased trees. And we will start a new grove there.
Thanks, Moana. She's doing great.
Well, it's not like you said it in front of your dad. Standing on a boat. I didn't say go beyond the reef because I want to be on the ocean. But you still do. He's hard on you because he doesn't get me. Because he was you. Drawn to the ocean, down by the shore. He took a canoe. He crossed the reef and found an unforgiving sea. Waves like mountains. His best friend begged to be on that boat. Your dad couldn't save him. He's hoping he can save you. Sometimes, who we wish we were, what we wish we could do, it's just not meant to be.
Bye-bye, guys.